What's up, people? Welcome back to Red Barn Garage. We got a big day today. Just wanted to show y'all some of the parts that have come in for the 1982 Toyota Starlet build, aka Clyde. This is going to be the one with the ZX14 engine, Kawasaki. So what we have here from Poland, we've got some fiberglass. This is the rear bumper. This is the front bumper, and we also have a rear spoiler, and these will all be painted. Anyway, this is all right, and what we've got in these boxes, I'm really excited about this. This is from Techno Toy Tuning. And they do suspension components for the KP61 Starlet. First we get let's see what we got here. All right. Looks like hey, my buddy. Looks like a sway bar. This is so cool. Now we have, look at these control arms. Wow, that is awesome.
Hold on, I have to pause it.
Okay, so we got some spherical rod ends, adjustable. I think these go with these sway bar, if I'm not mistaken. Got a cross brace here. Let's see. Alright, so the other box should be the coilovers. These parts are really good. Now with these coilovers, the only way you can get them, well, as far as I know, you might have to pay extra, but are we still rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so to get these, they really want you to send in your original struts because these things don't exist anymore, and they need them to do the conversion with. So let's see what we got here. Got a nice little lanyard here. And look at that shit right there. That's the coolest stuff I've ever seen in my whole life. I'm sleeping with this tonight. It's going with me in my bed. Anywho. So there you have it. If you have a Starlet and you need parts, look up my guys at Techno Toy Tuning. Thanks for tuning in, guys.